Have you ever thought about growing your own fruit trees in your backyard? Imagine the joy of fresh, homegrown fruit, the cool shade on a hot summer's day, and the natural beauty enhancing your yard. Well, today we're going to guide you on how to do just that. First things first, you need to choose the right fruit tree for your climate and soil. Consider your local weather patterns, the type of soil in your backyard, and the tree's growth habits. Once you've chosen the appropriate tree, it's time to plant. Now let's get our hands dirty and start planting. Begin by digging a hole, about twice the width of your tree's root ball and just as deep. Position your tree in the center of the hole, ensuring it stands upright. Backfill the hole with soil, pressing gently to remove any air pockets. Remember, the soil should be firm but not compacted. And there you have it, your tree is planted. With the tree in the ground, it's time to ensure it grows strong and healthy. A tree, just like any other plant, needs care and attention. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods. Fertilization, ideally with a slow-release formula, should be done annually. Pruning is also critical to maintain the tree's shape and to promote healthy growth. Don't forget to protect your tree from pests and diseases by using eco-friendly methods. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to enjoying your own homegrown fruit. Growing your own fruit trees can be a rewarding experience. As we've journeyed together, remember the key steps: selecting the right tree, planting it properly, and caring for it diligently. The fruits of your labor, fresh, delicious, and grown right in your backyard, are well worth the effort. Imagine the joy of sharing a juicy apple or sweet peach, knowing it's the result of your hard work and love. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and guides.